How to use a callback function in Python. I wonder how to correctly use Python 2.7 callback functions. I have some callback functions from cherry.auth examples in my code. These callbacks return a function that can evaluate to true or false, depending on the logged in user being in a group or not. I wonder if a callback is executed or not if I write a piece of code like this. Given the definition from the library is how can I apply and execute the callback in my code? If I put it like this. Will this execute the callback and check for the admin group? Or will it find out if the value of member underscore of is a function definition, and a function definition is probably always a true value, or maybe a false value, but both are wrong, because it needs to be executed. Can you enlighten me on this? How can I make sure a callback is executed? And how can I pass it around as it is?
In Python, like in many other languages, a variable can also contain a function, and you can pass them around like other variables that contain, for example, numbers or strings. CherryPy's member underscore of function itself does return a function in your example. I am explaining it in simple steps. If you write member underscore of, it returns the result of the function member underscore of, which is the function with the name check in this case. At this point the variable cb underscore function holds the result of calling the function member underscore of, and in the last line member underscore of returns check, which was defined within the function member underscore of as another function. You have to call the first result again, because you can, and you have to treat it in almost the same way as a local function that you defined in the current context, to get the final result, by doing something like. And then you would continue and use the result. For example, you could check its Boolean value. The three steps from above together can be written shorter. Or even shorter. At first it may appear a little strange in Python to have the double, but if you think about it for a while it makes sense.
If you execute it, it is plain simple. Member underscore of will return method object check. You have to execute to get result by doing something like if member underscore of admin, or to do your task.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.